channel. It's a girl Chesouye, and if you didn't know, now you know. So from the title down below, I know you see what video I'll be doing today. I'm just basically going to be giving a college video. I really don't know, but this came to my mind because a lot of y'all, I say y'all because I haven't started, but my classes actually don't start until September 20. And why God good so? Because it's like him know the girl though mentally ready for the school thing. Him push back the whole of the class them. Him push them back 2 weeks, 3 weeks. 3 weeks, yeah. Him push them back 3 weeks. Grateful because it's like him know girl never mentally ready. So yeah, so all of y'all can know what to expect in college. Personally, as you all know, I feel like I've been through so much in college. The only thing I haven't done is stayed on dorm, so I will not be able to give any insight on that. But apart from that, I have traveled from like 3 hours over another parish. I have rented, I've had my own apartment, everything. So I'm just gonna be giving you all a little insight on that. So right after my intro, it'll come right now. Right after my intro, y'all will see me.
Just YouTube it. Some other channel just too foolish. Like, subscribe and share. Comment right here. I'm not like dog or YouTube lit.
Yeah guys, so before we get to anywhere in this video, please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on post notification. Follow me on Instagram at Chesouye and all other socials at Chesouye. Make sure to screenshot a part of the video and mention me on Instagram and all of the niceness them. First before I reach anywhere in this video, I just want to big up all of Uno. Thank you for show my love. And yes, I to say I'm back because y'all getting videos back to back. So this is I'm back. And please ignore my ear, don't drag me. My hair has been done for 1 week and this is what it looks like. And a greater grow. I'm gonna pull it out until lockdown done. And the last day of lockdown is when I'm gonna pull it out and wash it and wear my natural hair. But apart from that, I still gonna see me. So guys, as me I said, I don't want to drag me down in the comment section for my ear because my ear has literally been done for 1 week or less than a week, and this is how it looks. And like me not tie down my ear, I just so my ear stay, my natural ear been stay this way. So I'm gonna let my hairstyle stay so my hair can grow. Okay, do not come for me in the comment section. Yeah. So I started college. I started university in September of 2018. So for the entire from September 2018 to August 2019, I traveled from St. Thomas and then I like a Morant Bay, further than Morant Bay, because I live far. Me live far. Yes, I'm gonna travel from there, so go to Papine, right? And back and forth. I used to reach home like 10 o'clock. I reach home midnight before. I come downtown and can't get nothing before. My almost stranded before. I feel like I've been through it all. I remember one time in a 3rd year, I think, or 2nd year. Probably 2nd year. No, it was last year, so it would have been 3rd year. I remember one time last year, and when me come downtown, and curfew was like 7 o'clock at this time, and I was working until late, and curfew was 7 o'clock, and when I come downtown 5:30, which would have, I would have almost reached home by curfew for done. When I come downtown, there was no bus, no taxi, and the 2 side of the Rona parade the opposite side where we always take. Everybody knows about St. Thomas bus and taxi them park at night. In front of Mother's there so. Right there so. I don't know the street the name, right there so. Yeah. And when me go around there and see the amount of people, my parents had to rent an Airbnb. Well, they were already renting, I think something was happening, and they were already renting an Airbnb. And I had to stay at an Airbnb. I didn't have any clothes. I never have nothing. And I had to stay in Kingston because I couldn't get nothing for come St. Thomas. So I know it can be rough, especially if you're traveling and you don't really have no set place for live and go college. But yeah, that's what this video is for. So first of all, I want to talk about being safe because me hear well for other story. I have friends where them come Kingston and the men have tried to rape them, kidnap them have the voice note for prove it, all of that. I remember one night I was at home and my friend sent me a voice note, and when I listened it, my ball. I cried because I couldn't believe she literally said she took a taxi from Papi, right? And he said he was going downtown. He started going off route and then he started to basically chat her up. And tell her all the things in the world. Tell her say I'm gonna rape her flat out. And she has a brother in high places. He's an artist, and she'd have to call him and make him know, say, listen, this is what is happening, and that is how she got free. Because she literally even tell the man, say, listen, I need to pee. Pull over here, because she wanted to run. She wanted to get a chance to get free from him, because he locked the door, wind up the window, everything. The only thing she had was her phone, and that is how she used it to contact her brother. I don't know if she did contact the police as well, and I don't remember how it did go. But it is very important, pivotal, that we keep safe, because I will put our story out there, and it's nice, really and truly. I personally, this is how I keep safe. I've never had any men try to rape me or kidnap me or anything like that. I've never been robbed, even though I've been traversing through downtown for all of 3 years, going into 4. I've never ever been robbed. And I personally can tell you, when I go through downtown, when I smile, coming around with nobody, and most of the times I don't have anything to defend myself, because when I used to carry stuff, right, police used to stop me every time and search me. And knife carry a charge, and I just can't bother. I literally cannot bother. So I just walk with faith. If you don't know, my favorite verse is walk by faith, not by sight. Girl, I walk by faith, not by sight. I can tell you that. There has been a lot of times where, like, remember this one time I was in a bus, and my mother called me and she said, listen, you need to go a wholesale and get this. I think it was here, to do our hair. And I was in the wholesale and this man was like brushing up on me. And it was COVID time, so I look around and I said, listen, back up. Like, why you touch me? And it was like, oh, I don't want to rob you, Most of the time when I'm around rob you, that's the first thing I'm saying. You lock up your handbag from me like a rob you want to rob me. Me strongly believe. And I remember one time, one man, like him rub up on me, I said, listen to me, stand back. Because I will cut out your belly, don't ramp with me. And him look at me like him frightened, like him never expect a female to say that to him. I say, listen to me, back up, or I will cut out your belly down here and make it drop a ground and you look on it. And me, I not even think I'm so strong. But I don't know where I find the strength from. I just never care. Because I could have literally say I try to rob me. I could have literally say I try to rob me. And most times I prefer to carry a knapsack more than my handbag. And if I carry my handbag half a zip and I hold on that. Because me not able. I do not use my phone on the road in Kingston. It is not St. Thomas. It is not St. Thomas where I can walk with my purse and my phone in my hand and nobody not even look at me. It is not St. Thomas. And you have to be aware of that. I know where you come from, where everybody know you, and them now got trouble nothing for you. St. Thomas is fairly safe, like you can walk with your phone in your purse in your hand. That is not Kingston. I do not answer my phone in taxis most time unless somebody else there with me. And I do not answer my phone on the road at all. My mother knows if she come, she not get me until I reach like our view in the bus. My mother knows she's not going to get me. Me the downtown already, and I see them a rush bus, and I see one boy I know from primary school, like me and him in the same class and everything, and him just take out him phone out time bag right in front of my eye. I must see, and when him go on the bus, him see same phone gone. My man just, cause basically what they do is they act like us, you know. Them have them bag on them back, and them cut off jeans, and them dress, you know, them shoes and them top and everything, and them go on like them a go on the bus with you, and them grab what them a grab and cut. Sometimes them all come on the bus. Me personally, me don't really like take bus, but me will take bus. And if I take bus, me not take bus up at the bus stop, cause me not in the rush something. And people still not learn. Me see people still a rush going a bus. Me not rush nothing. Me want to go home, yes, but me not rushing. So me stay. So that is being safe on the road. Honestly, me not like travel, but when me did live alone, me still getting at that. Me not like travel, but I travel me I work with for right now. It is way cheaper. I think it is way cheaper, and it is more efficient for me. Alright, so renting in Kingston is expensive. If you want something good or fairly good, expensive bad. And then you have to think about the area and all of that. So yeah. So basically why I moved from where I was staying was basically because the area did bad, but it never so bad. It never bad. The next community over was bad, but the area itself never bad. And I could have stayed and everything, but I never like how the landlord deal with certain things. And I just feel like I live somewhere I can go back. I don't need to take no shit. And I put my mother put me out. And I put me out. She put me somewhere to stay to go to school. She never put me out, so I could have come back anytime. And I decided that that's what I wanted to do. I never want sad no more, because I did sad bad. Me and my mother close, and knowing that my uncle see her on video call, and sometimes she busy, me busy. I just never like it. I just did want to come on my yard where I can be free and know say yeah, my mother they around this, so if you understand what I say. As I said before in one other video, college not really that hard. You just need for focus. College not hard. A lot of people say they don't go to college because, you know, them not have the money. Me never have the money when me start. Me never have the money. But I have a mother who were willing to try. And even then, my mother is also studying. So it's hard. Do you work and apply for scholarship and bursary? I can't even tell you how much scholarship, how much bursary I've gotten since I've been going to college. Most of my school fee was covered by that. And I have, and me and my mother sending myself go school. I don't have no help. And my mother go UWE, and UWE school fee is expensive. Her school fee is like 5 times my own. That's how expensive it is. Her school fee is 5 times my school fee. But at the end of the day, I get about half of the money from scholarships and bursary. I kid you not. I've gotten so many scholarships and bursary. Enough time I worry, and God just send away. Him just send away. I just get an email, I get a call. Something I not even expect. Sometimes I not even expect it. And it come and it drop in on my lap. I'ma pray and say thank you Jesus, because I never know where it come from. And that's just life, that's just reality. But I just feel like college hard, but it's not so hard. I'm gonna tell you the truth. There's a lot of things we can do and so. Yeah guys, so that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Follow me on all socials at Chesouye. And I'll catch you guys in my next upload. Bye.